Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Welcome to Cut to the Chase. Today is Monday, the 10th of June. I'm Daniel Lam, your host for the podcast. Like what we discussed in a recent podcast, investors seem to be getting somewhat fatigued by this yo-yo in the US macro numbers. So just when the dovish trend began to develop, you got a significantly stronger than expected non-farm payroll number for the month of May, coming in at 272,000 jobs, much higher than the 180,000 expected by the economist. May's job additions also came in significantly higher than the 165,000 jobs added in April. Now, the unemployment rate rose to 4% from 3.9% the month prior. But the wages, considered an important metric for inflation pressures, increased 4.1% year over year, reversing a downward trend in year-over-year growth from the month prior. So the print really shows the difficulties the Fed faces in determining when to lower interest rates and how quickly to do so. The economy and labor market have held up overall, and inflation has remained sticky, so building the case for holding rates high for longer. But some cracks have been emerging, such as signs of inflation pressurizing lower income consumers and rising household debt. But the reaction from the asset markets do not seem to be anything excessive. In fact, echoing what we discussed in the aforementioned podcast, this yo-yo in US macro data is prompting investors to go for the tried and tested idiosyncratic investment stories out there. In US equities, that means investors would be buying the two sectors that we're overweight upon, i.e. technology and communication services sectors on dips, with AI theme and any associated plays benefiting. We believe this trend is likely to continue. That is all from me for today. As always, if you enjoy this podcast, please don't forget to rate and like it. Thanks for listening, and we wish you a happy day ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details, visit Market Views on the Go on our website or click the link in the description.